This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need carrier support, an active plan, and a working Wi-Fi connection. Check those first. Now, open your phone settings and enable Wi-Fi calling. If it's already on, toggle it off and back on to refresh registration. Once done, connect to the strongest access point you have, then restart the phone to force a fresh network attach. This sequence starts the handshake between your device and the carrier. It fixes most simple registration and routing problems quickly, so make sure each step completes before moving on. Next, investigate your local network. Routers that block VoIP traffic can stop Wi-Fi calling. You should check that SIP and VoIP are permitted by the router. If there's a SIP ALG option, try toggling it. Some carriers need it off, others on. Also inspect IP settings. Carriers sometimes prefer IP4 or need IP6. Match your router's WAN assignment to carrier guidance. Once adjusted, reboot the router and phone so NAT tables clear, and the device can re-register with the carrier properly. To finish, test by placing calls and sending messages over Wi-Fi. Listen for latency, dropped audio, or SMS failures. If issues remain, update both the phone OS and carrier settings. These updates often contain registration fixes. When you still see problems, gather details: signal strength, router model, error messages, and exact timestamps. Then contact carrier support and provide those logs. Technicians can trace IMS registration and network side blocks. If needed, factory reset network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.